Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce n. Campanas Japanese. This character is pronounced in 6 different ways depending on what sound comes after it. And we can categorize these into 3 groups. 1. When there's no sound after n. 2. When a sound after n is produced by blocking the airflow. Let's take the P sound and the K sound as examples. The P sound, you block the airflow with your lips. The K sound, you block the airflow with your tongue. 3. When a sound after n is produced by not blocking the airflow. For example, vowels. There's no blocking of the airflow. Same thing with semivowels and fricatives. In this video, I'm gonna cover the first 2 groups, and I'll do the third one in another video. Alright, let's take a look at the first group. When there's no sound after n. There's only one sound in this group. I think this is the trickiest sound in the Japanese language, because this sound is not used in many languages. This sound is called the voiced uvular nasal sound. Voiced means your vocal cords here vibrate. Uvular means this. So the back part of the tongue stretches up to the uvula. I don't think anyone understood what I said. So when you pronounce the K sound, you push the back part of the tongue against the soft palate, right? When you pronounce n, you move your tongue a little further back in the mouth. And this is a nasal consonant. With nasal consonants, you let the air escape through your nose. N, n, n. Example words. 日本、日本。3、3。円、円。Next, the second group. When a sound after n is produced by blocking the airflow. In this group, there are 4 ways of pronouncing n. And n is influenced by the following sound in this group. So the place of articulation for n becomes the one for the following sound. Let's take a look at these 4 ways one by one. When the following sound is P, B, or M. When the place of articulation of the following sound is lips, like P, B, or M sound, you pronounce n as the M sound. Example words. 金髪、金髪。看板、看板。運命、運命。When the following sound is R, T, D, N, T, or Z. When the place of articulation of the following sound is the gamma ridge, like R, T, D, N, T, or Z sound, you pronounce N as the N sound. Example words: 反論、反論、選択、選択、運動、運動、女、女、文通、文通、犯罪、犯罪。When the following sound is ni, ch, or ji. When the place of articulation of the following sound is the back of the gamma ridge, like ni, ch, or j sound, you pronounce n as the ni sound. Example words: 筋肉、筋肉、電池、電池、元日、元日。When the following sound is K, G, or NG. When the place of articulation of the following sound is the soft palate, like K, G, or NG sound, you pronounce N as the NG sound. Example words: 三角、三角、日本語、日本語。If you are a beginner, I don't think you need to memorize all of these rules now. I think it's way more important to try to speak freely. So don't put too much energy into memorizing these rules. For now, just keep in mind, these rules exist. One last thing, both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。